Hi everybody, this is Sue, and I'm going to show you what I've gotten out of the Dollar Tree or out of the dumpsters for the last couple of nights. First of all, I got this light. It's supposed to, according to the box, you're supposed to be able to uh, attach your cell phone to the top of it. And the first night, I didn't get the whole light. The second night, I went to Dollar Tree. I found the rest of the light, but it's too flimsy to hold my phone, so I just took the top part of it off. But the light works just fine. I'm very happy with it. It's on right now. I know it doesn't look like it, but it is, and it's a good light. Okay, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to show you the rest of it. Okay, now then, over the last couple of nights, I have gotten 6 tubs of sour cream. It is in date. It is still sealed, and it was cold when I picked it up. It is good. There's nothing wrong with it. I got these cracker, that's ham, cheese, crackers, and a little fun-sized candy bar. And that's good. I've eaten several of those now, and that is really good. I got those cookies, which I've tried the cookies, and they're very, very good. I haven't opened the pepper cheese yet, but I'm going to grate those and use those. And then I got a whole bunch of tomatoes, and I gave Peggy half of them. And I got a whole bunch of this bologna, and I gave Peggy quite a bit of those. I kept one, and I gave her, I don't know how many I gave her, 3 or 4. I got milk and half, and I got 2 iced coffees, which I gave to Peggy, and I think I gave her some milk too. I can't remember. But anyway, she's got she's got iced coffee and milk. I got some powdered sugar out of the Aldi dumpster. I got a package of spaghetti, which has, and this has not been opened. This is sealed. It's fine. It's in date. This is in date. Everything in here is in date. Uh, I got the spaghetti. It's sealed. Nothing's wrong with it. These are, oops, I turned that the wrong way. These are Lance crackers, and these are really good. They're peanut butter, cheese crackers with peanut butter. I got this big bag of pretzels, and then I got this popcorn that has a uh, candy corn syrup coating on it. That is really good. I've eaten a couple of those. Those are really, really good. Okay, I am going to pause this because I got a huge haul at Dollar Tree tonight. I was there for over an hour. I even had to get in the car and warm up a little bit and go back out, and because there was so much stuff. And then I went over to Aldi and I got stuff over there. So I'm going to pause this while I switch. Okay, this is not everything, but this is what I'm going to do now. Then I'm going to close it again and refill these trays. Okay. Uh, this is trash bags. There's 5 bags in there. The trash that's open, so I assume that they had to get rid of it because it was open. Uh, this is a Halloween uh, decoration, I guess. These are Christmas ornaments, and I don't know why they threw those out. The box is crushed. That's what it is. These are gift bags. These were open, so I will be throwing this away. If it's open or or anything like that, I will not. This is disinfectant spray. The cap is gone, but it works. This is Brownie Bites. Brownie King. This end over here is open, but it's still closed here. And I think they're individually wrapped, so I think they're okay. This, I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to give it Kenzie. Peggy's probably going to want to cut the spikes off of it. I don't think it would be a good thing for her to get those in her throat. But I'm not sure what this is. It says Sweet Fluff, super 1 pound size. Feels so fluffy. Squish it. Shape it. Fluff it. I'm not sure, but I think it's something kids play with. Look at it. Look at it. I don't know what it is. I think it's something kids squish and play with. This is vanilla wafers. The box is a bit crushed, but they're still sealed. Oh, my favorite, sardines. I'll be giving those to Peggy. And here's a Family Feud card game. I was going to give Storm and Zach some card games for Christmas, so there you go. This is a frozen dinner. The box was all busted up and everything, but it's still sealed and it's still cold. And I thought, when I picked these up, I thought these were plastic spoons. I thought that's kind of weird. They're weird size. They're not. Stirring spoons. Mix in warm milk, mix in coffee, enjoy a melts away treat, chocolate peppermint flavored candy. Now I've got 2 boxes of those. I got some glasses, you know. I don't know what I would do with them. I mean, I've got my prescription glasses. I don't know what I'd do with these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dish soaps. Some of them were leaking. As you can see, some of them are not full. But I screwed the caps back down on them and washed the bottles off. And look at that. I've got all that dish soap. And now I have dryer sheets. 10 boxes. They're all popped open, but the dryer sheets are in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the dryer sheets are in there. They just popped open, so that I guess they couldn't sell them because they were popped open. This is a quart of 1% milk. It's cold. This is 2 packages of deli shaved smoked ham. They're still sealed. They're cold. And this is 8 cans of Shasta Cola. One of them is badly dented. Some of them have been pulled out of this plastic ring thing, which I think is why they threw them out, because customers were pulling them out. This is a pain relief. I will be throwing this away because it's open. I will be throwing this away because it's ice cream. I was pulling stuff out of the dumpster and it was dark. Even with my little head lamp, it was dark. This is Twizzlers candies. Oh no, they're not. They're open. I will throw those away. This is refried beans. These things are cold. Ready in 60 seconds, it says. This is a party light. It's a light bulb. So, yay. This is aluminum foil. I didn't even realize till I got home that I had 2 packages of aluminum foil. And they're way too big for my drawers. So I'll have to find a place for them, probably in my storage room. Okay, now I've got to put all this stuff away and reload these trays. So I'm going to pause this. I will give you another. I've been busy tonight and my back is killing me. But I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff tonight. So I'll see you in a minute.